guys, it's Jessie with Mocha Mommy. I just wanted to take a few minutes today and talk to you about something I just realized finally after having 4 kids. A good way to cut your kids' clothes down by half. So it's really important to me right now. I'm totally going through this whole minimalism stage in my life, and I just realized that this was a must need. And so when I was going through his clothes, I realized that I had 2 different types of clothing styles. So the first clothing style I had were these like one-piece sets. It's like a shirt and shorts together in one. And then in the other pile, I had these onesies. And then I had shorts. So doing onesies and shorts is cute, but I realized that this is 2 pieces of clothing versus this one. And it just occurred, like, I could literally cut my laundry down by half if I was only using these one-piece like bodysuits. I have these in winter clothes, I have them in summer clothes, and I'm literally gonna take like this week's worth of clothing. I would have 7 shorts and 7 shirts or onesies, and I'm just gonna stick these right into the garage sale. I no longer need them. So these these like one-piece bodysuits, they come in all different styles. They're so much easier, honestly, to change diapers because you're just pulling up from the bottom and then snapping it back and having to pull off shorts. I wish I would have known that as a first-time mom. I could have saved myself a lot of money. My husband has also noted that it's so much easier for him to pick out an outfit, you know, because I'm like, oh, go grab Kai an outfit, and he goes into the drawer and he's like, well, that matches, like, I don't know. And then he comes back and it doesn't match, so then I have to go back and I have to get it. So he made it very clear to me that these are even a lot easier for him because he doesn't have to think about it. And so I throw it into the wash, it comes out, it's there. I don't even have to match it with anything. It's just good to go. They're super comfortable. I would suggest, if you can get away with it, doing it for the first 2 years of their lives. After that, I don't really think they make them for 2 years and up. But if you can get away with doing it for the first 2 years, it's gonna save you a lot of headache, a lot of laundry. I just think it's a super cool way to not overload ourselves with more than what we need on our plates already. So I'm looking forward to cutting down his clothes and seeing how it works for me. I think it will work fine. Here's an example of a winter one-piece outfit. They're very easy to find. You just kind of have to keep your eye out for them. It's just gonna save you a lot of time. It's gonna save you a lot of money, and you're cutting your laundry in half. So I hope that helps somebody out there. And I'm new to YouTube, so please subscribe below. I would really appreciate your feedback, what you'd like to hear about. If there are any tips or tricks that you do to cut down your kids' laundry. I wish we could all run around in onesies all day, even as mamas, because we'd have so much less laundry to do, but that's just not doable. We would just not look good. So I look forward to seeing if this helps for the younger ages. So I look forward to talking to you soon, and let me know what you think below. Thanks. Bye.